In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Trident rod in Fisch inside Roblox. So, the first thing you want to know is that the Trident rod is actually worth getting because it has great stats, but it is a bit time consuming and it is a bit hard to get, okay? But it's very worth it once you get it. So, as I said, the Trident rod is actually considered one of the most expensive tools in the game only because of the way you obtain it, okay? So to get a Trident rod in Fisch, you will need to fulfill several conditions. The first one is you will have to complete the Desolate Deep Bestiary at 100%. Okay, so the Desolate Deep Bestiary at 100% is the first thing you have to do. Then the second one is to collect 5 enchant relics, and then the last one, the third one, is to earn at least 150,000 tokens. Now you may be asking yourself, what is Desolate Deep Bestiary? And to complete the Desolate Deep Bestiary, you will have to dedicate quite a bit of time, in addition to purchasing the reinforced rod to fish in the brine pools. So after that, players, and you as well, will have to collect enchant relics, and for this, you should fish in the ocean or buy items from Merlin, which you likely know who it is. And after you collect the required amount of money, you need to find a secret cave. Now, the secret cave is located near the Desolate Pocket, and to get into it, you need to go to the merchant there and then go to the long narrow rock. Then jump into the water and swim to the wall of the cave. There, you will basically find a tunnel leading to an abandoned temple, and then once you're at that abandoned temple, you have to put enchant relics on 5 pedestals to open the door and get the desired Trident rod in Fisch. So in case you were also wondering what the stats are on this Trident rod, it has lure speed 20%, it has 150% luck, control 0, resilience 0%, and then max kg is actually 6000 kg or 6 tons. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was informative and you now know how to get the Trident rod, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.